Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix loading chunk failed on Discord. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to fix the loading chunk failed error in Discord. First, try hard refresh while on the screen. Press Ctrl plus R on Windows or Linux, or Command plus R on Mac to force Discord to reload. Next, force quit and relaunch the app by opening Task Manager with Ctrl plus Shift plus escape, ending all Discord processes and reopening the application. If the problem persists, delete temporary files by pressing Windows plus or typing this and deleting all files in the folder, then restart Discord. Finally, clear the app cache and data by pressing Windows plus or entering this, navigating to the Discord folder, and deleting the cache and local storage files. After completing the steps, restart Discord and the error should be resolved. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.